Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Informative Folder. Today we are diving into some amazing and interesting facts about three common bodily functions we all experience: hiccup, sneeze, and yawn. You won't believe some of the fascinating detail you have uncovered, so stay tuned.
Let's start with hiccups. Did you know that hiccups are actually caused by involuntary actions of the diaphragm? These contractions caused a sudden take of air, which makes the vocal cord snap shut, producing the characteristic hic sound. The longest recorded bout of hiccup lasted from 68 years. Charles Osborne from Law started hiccup in 1922 and did not stop till 1990. Hiccups usually go away on their own, but remedies like holding your breath, drinking water, or getting a scare are often tried. The science behind this method is still a bit fuzzy. Next up, sneeze. Sneezing is your body's way of clearing out irritants from your nose or throat. When something like dust or pollen enters your nasal passage, your brain signals your body to expel it, resulting in a sneeze. Did you know sneeze can travel at speed of up to 100 miles per hour? That's faster than most cars on the highway. And here are another interesting fact. You cannot sneeze with your eyes open. It's an involuntary action to protect your eyes from particles. Now let's talk about yawns. Yawning is often associated with tiredness, but did you know it serves other purpose too? One theory is that yawning helps cool down the brain and regulate its temperature, making us more alert and improving cognitive function. Yawning is contagious. Seeing, hearing, or even thinking about yawning can trigger a yawn in others. And it's not to just human, many animals, including dogs and chimpanzees, also experience contagious yawn. So what happens when these bodily functions intersect? For instance, sneezing and hiccup up at the same time is rare but possible. Imagine the surprise. There are even a rare phenomena where people can hiccup, sneeze, and yawn almost simultaneously. This is extremely rare and usually happen due to specific neural pathway being triggered in a unique sequence. These combined reactions can be surprising and sometimes even amusing. It is a reminder of how interconnected our body systems are.
There you have it, some incredible facts about hiccup, sneeze, and yawn. These everyday bodily functions are more fascinating than they seem. If you enjoy this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.